Good morning, everybody, and welcome to preschool. It's Miss Mozingo here. Let's go ahead and get started with our circle time. I'm so glad you could join me today. Let's take a look at our calendar. It is the 18th day of May. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week it is. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. You do it. Let's hear ya. Come on. Keep going. Days of the week. 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 All right. And it's the 18th day. So Sunday and there's Monday. Monday, May 18th, 2020. Let's see. What is our flower color going to be today? Let's take a look from here. It goes pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink. What's going to be next? Blue. That's right, our pattern. Our flower is going to be blue. I wonder what tomorrow's going to be. What kind of weather do we have outside today? Is it sunny today? Sunny with clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy? It is very cloudy outside today. Almost looks like it wants to rain. Let's see if it will. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? What do you think? Oh, I heard someone say sunny. That sounds good to me. Let's go ahead and move that down into our prediction square. And let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome. All right. How about counting to 15? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, let's launch that rocket. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. All right, let's find a shape. Can you find the circle? Where's the circle? Here it is. What color is our circle? It is red. Let's find another shape. How about the shape? Triangle. Where's the triangle? There it is. What color is our triangle? Blue. Good job. All right, now I'm looking for a color. Can you find something that is green? Yes. Who is that? It is discussed. Great. How about something that is yellow? Yes, the school bus is yellow. All right. Our nursery rhyme this week is Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Let's take a look at that video. Whoop. Try again.
Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating some curds and whey. Along came sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
That's silly. Now you could pretend to do the Little Miss Muffet at home and have someone be Little Miss Muffet sitting in a chair, and someone could be a spider and scare Miss Muffet away. Let's take a look at our letters. We've already done the letter L, F, E, H, T, I, U, C, and O. And this week we are finishing up with the letter Q. Q says qu, 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 like queen, quarter, and quiet. Yes. All right. Let's sing about where we start our letters. Let's stand up and get moving.
Where do you start your letters?
At the top,
Where do you start your letters?
at the top.
If you want to start a letter, then you better.
Remember to start at the top. Here we go. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. At the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? At the top. Then you got it. Remember you started at the top. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Give me Oz. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Reach out and touch the top. Reach down. Way down. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now here we go. 2, 3, 4. Shake it. Top. Remember to start it at the top. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. All right. Let's go ahead and make this letter. We're making the letter Q today. Who can remember, what do we use to make the letter Q? If you said a big curve, you're exactly right. And our big curve is going to go off Mr. Matt just a little bit. So we have our magic C, our big curve. We grab our other big curve, our magic C, and we've made the letter Q. No, what letter is this? It's the letter O. So when I make the letter Q, I have to take a little slide and put it right down the bottom right corner of it. And now I've made the letter Q. Now to make the letter Q, I start at the top, just like I do when I'm making my letter O. So I make the letter Q. I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going. Please don't stop. It's the letter Q. When you get to the top, add a little slide. Ready? One more time. Fingers at the top. Let's do it together. Make the letter Q. I'll show you how. Start at the top. Go this way now. Keep on going. Please don't stop. It's the letter Q when you get to the top, and add a little slide. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me for Circle Time today. Tomorrow we're going to make the letter Q again. But right now, it's going to be time for music. So I hope you join me for music. And this week, Mrs. Nichols is reading our stories, and it's all about animals and how they go from small to big, just like plants, just like insects, just like humans. So I hope you enjoy the story today, and I'll see you in a little bit for music. Bye, friends.